Good afternoon. It's Captain Bruce, Ivan Hernandez, Statewide Marine. Today we're located here in beautiful Daring Bay, and our target boat for this video is the beautiful 48 Viking Fish Wish. And this is a very loyal customer, and he knows who he is, and we genuinely appreciate your business, boss. So doing a quick video on his boat, and he's preparing to head to the Bahamas here soon. And of course, as a smart boater and a smart boat owner, he's got us over here doing the descale on all the equipment and defrosting. So thank you, we appreciate that. So I'm gonna take a quick shot downstairs and see what we got going on. We already got our equipment running. We've got our fan blowing, so it's a little loud, but it's a little hot out here as well. So as we can see, we gotta do it right. Let's see what we got going on. Right now we're descaling the air conditioning, and we got our big bucket going here. And it's pretty safe to say that this owner is pretty well knowledgeable, and he knows when he needs to get his unit and his equipment clean. And as we can see, a lot of mud in there. So we're gonna run this here for about another 20 minutes, and then we'll blow through and clean it all up. And then of course we're gonna tie into KRAs and the Eskimo, which is back there in the back. So we're gonna descale those next, and that's it. Ivan's over there working on the sea strainers. So I'm gonna get out of the hole here, and that's it for our video. We appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. Again, as I always say, if you need any of our sales service, any of our help, give us a call, 305-254-5962. You can check us out on Facebook, Statewide Marine. And if you'd like to see some of our service videos of all the rest of the work that we do, you can simply Google hashtag Statewide Marine Inc., hashtag Dometic, and hashtag Dometic Factory Authorized. That's our video. Appreciate you watching. Again, from the beautiful 48 Viking Fish Wish. Thank you very much, and have a great day.